Good morning students, I hope you all are doing well at your places, and today we'll be studying about structure of a sentence. But before starting with this, we should all aware that what is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words that are arranged in a proper manner so that it can make a complete sense. So let's just begin with the structure of a sentence, and you all will be learning a new concept in this chapter. The title of our chapter is structure of sentence, right? Okay, there is a warm-up exercise that you have to write 5 sentences about yourself. You will be writing it on your own. Now, in the previous classes, you should have studied that a group of words which make a complete sense, उसको हम sentence बोलते हैं. मैं आपको पहले ही बता चुकी हूँ ये. Sentence has two parts. First one is subject and predicate. What is a subject? It denotes a person, animal, and thing which something is said. जो कोई बोलता है. What is a predicate? It is about the person. Person के बारे में, animal और thing के बारे में, इसको हम predicate बोलते हैं. When the subject of the sentence, it consists of several words. बहुत सारे words में होते हैं. उसके अंदर words होते हैं which is always one word in it. उसके अंदर हमेशा एक word होता है that is more important than the other words. दूसरे word से वो word बहुत important होता है. इसी main word को हम subject word बोलते हैं, और of course you can say simple subject. Example, a blind beggar, it fell down. वो नीचे गिर गया. In the above sentences, what is this? Beggar is a subject. Now देखिए, what is a subject and what is a predicate in these subjects? देखिए, अमन जो है वो subject है, rest part, reads a book is a predicate. He is a subject and eats food is a predicate. The poor is the subject and are honest is of course the predicate. Walking is a subject, is a good exercise, of course it's a predicate. To err is human, to err is a subject, and is human is of course predicate. To find fault is a subject, and is easy, of course it's a predicate. So thus the subject, it may be a noun, it may be a pronoun, it may be an adjective which is used as a noun, gerund and infinitive, or you can say group of words that does the work of a noun. Now what is then extension of the subject? आप subject को कैसे बढ़ा सकते हैं? Sometimes the subject word जो होता है is qualified by an adjective or some words, or you can say group of words that do the work of an adjective, and this is इसी को ये बोलते हैं attribute, or you can say extension. For example, lazy students fail. Barking dogs seldom bite. Right? Jay's father is an engineer. Ankur, my son, is a loco pilot. है वो. A desire to succeed is necessary, and children of a good character, they are loved. Right? You just study the proper table. Subject word, determiner and उनका predicate. देखिए क्या है, students क्या है, subject verb है, words हैं, lazy एक determiner है, और fail क्या है, एक predicate है. Next is dog, again it's a subject, barking is a determiner and seldom bite is a predicate. Father is a subject, Jay is of course a determiner, is an engineer is of course a predicate. Ankur is a subject, my son is of course a determiner, is a loco pilot, it is a predicate. Desire is a subject, to succeed is a determiner, and of course is necessary is a predicate. Children is a subject, of good character, of course it's determiner, are loved, it's the predicate. How you can do the extension of predicate? As the subject part जो होता है, it may consist of many words, बहुत सारे words को contain करता है. The predicate also consist of an adverb. Adverb को consist करेगा a word, or you can say group of words that does the work of an adverb. Hence it is known as the extension of the predicate and adverbial qualifications. For example, Radha sings sweetly, she danced well, बहुत अच्छा डांस कर रही है. Amit rose to go out and the father spoke in an angry manner. The sun having risen, we started. You have to study the table, right? This is the subject and about its predicate. Subject word क्या है और उसका determiner क्या है, verb और adverbial qualifications क्या है. देखिए, Radha is a subject word, whereas sings is the verb and sweetly is of course adverb, क्योंकि उसने verb की quality बता दी है. Next, she is the subject word, danced is of course a verb, and well is of course adverb. Amit is a subject word, rose is of course verb, and to go out is an adverbial. Father is a subject word, the is determiner. Spoke क्या होगा हमारा verb होगा. In an angry manner, it's a adverb, right? Next is we is a subject word, started is of course verb, and the sun have risen, of course this is the predicate, right? What is the object over here? A transitive verbs, it requires an object to complete its meaning. We all know transitive verb को object लगता है. For example, I write a letter. In the above sentence, जो word है letter, it is an object of the verb, and write basically it completes the meaning of the verb. Right? Right. So the object are of two types. First is an indirect object. It is living being is an indirect, as you, he, you, I, Raman, Neetu, Vanshika, horse, वर्ड्स एक्सेट्रा. डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट क्या होते हैं, नॉन लिविंग होते हैं, जैसे कि पेन, बुक्स, पेंसिल, फ्रूट्स, food, house, etc. Next is extension of an object. An object word, it may have a determiner like the subject word. For example, I like green chilies. I met वासु की मदर से मैं मिली हूँ. The king hurt his finger and the teacher found the students which are making noise. You have to study the table. First, again, it's a subject, it's a predicate. सब्जेक्ट वर्ड है और डिटर्मिनर है. यहाँ पे वर्ब, ऑब्जेक्ट और डिटर्मिनर है. जैसे आई इज सब्जेक्ट, ऑफ कोर्स लाइक इज वर्ब, chilies is an object and green is a determiner. Again, I, it's a subject word, met is a verb, mother is object and vasu is a determiner. King is subject, the तो हमें determiner पता ही है, hurt is a verb, finger is an object and his is of course a determiner. Teacher is a subject word, determiner है the, verb क्या है found और object क्या है students और the making noise is a determiner. What above we'll be studying about the complement. When the verb is in the predicate is a transitive verb. जो एक predicate में जब verb होगी तो वो intransitive verb होगा because it make a complete sense by itself. But sometimes the intransitive verbs, it requires an additional word or you can say words so that it can complete its meaning. As in the sky, जो sky है, it grew dark. If we merely say the sky grew, these words do not make sense. कोई sense नहीं बनता है. So the verb जो है grew, it requires another word dark to complete its meaning. Such a verb इसको हम बोलते हैं verb of incomplete prediction. And the words that complete its meaning उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Complement बोलते हैं. A complement that acts as a subject of the verb, it's a subjective complement. जो subject को complete करेगा उसको subjective. And a complement that acts as an object of the verb इसको हम बोलेंगे objective complement. Complement may either be a noun, it can be a pronoun, adjective, participle, adverb, or of course an infinitive, etc. Right? Now giving some examples over here. Aman is a farmer, right? It is you. The earth is round. Seema looks tired. Your uncle is there and this shop is to let. To let means बेचने के लिए है. You have to study this table very carefully. This is the subject and of course the predicate. You have to write down the subject word and determiner, verb और उसके complement. देखिए अमन एक subject word है, is एक verb है और complement एक farmer है. It is again a subject, is a verb and you is again a complement. अर्थ जो हमारा सब्जेक्ट वर्ड है, द हमारा डिटर्मिनर है, इज एक वर्ब है और राउंड क्या है? कॉम्प्लीमेंट है. सीमा एक सब्जेक्ट वर्ड है, लुक्स वर्ब है और टायर्ड हमारा कॉम्प्लीमेंट है. अंकल अगेन इट्स अ सब्जेक्ट, योर इज अ डिटर्मिनर, इज ऑफ कोर्स अ वर्ब एंड देयर इज अ प्रेडिकेट. शॉप तो अगेन इट्स अ सब्जेक्ट वर्ब, डिटर्मिनर है दिस, वर्ब ऑफ कोर्स इट is a helping verb and to let is a complement. So in the above sentences जो complement है, it can be a noun, pronoun, adjective, participle and of course an infinitive and an adverb. There is a quick short recap. The group of words which make a complete sense is known as a sentence. We all know sentence के दो part होते हैं, subject and predicate. An object makes the complete sense of a transitive verb क्योंकि transitive verb में object होता है. Verb of incomplete prediction, it requires something so that it can complete, so it requires a complement so that it can complete its meaning. Objects दो type के होते हैं, direct और indirect. Moving on to the exercise. First, we have to complete this OMR sheet. That what is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words, right? A sentence is a group of words. Next is what is said about the subject is known as the predicate. जो subject के बारे में कुछ बताता है उसको हम predicate बोलते हैं. Transitive verb में object की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होती है. And this is an indirect object. देखिए direct object हमारे living होते हैं, indirect object हमारे non living होते हैं. So this is an indirect object. तो वही है, दिस इज एन इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. देखिए इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट जो है लिविंग होते हैं, सो आंसर वुड बी डी. और जो बचे हैं हाउस, पेन एंड लेटर, ऑफ कोर्स दे आर डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. यू हैव टू rearrange the following words so that you can make a complete meaningful sentence, right? Thicker water than is blood. आप लिख सकते हैं कि blood is thicker than water. The next sentence is a time stitch in the nine saves, right? A time, you can write that a stitch in the nine, it saves a time, right? A stitch It saves our time. Next is India North are in the Himalayas of the. India is in the north of the Himalayas, right? And India is, of course, a proper noun. India is in the north of the Himalayas. The Himalayas is the proper noun. That is why H is capital in between the sentence. Our mother, this interesting story one winter night told us. Our mother told us one you can write our mother या फिर one winter night our mother told us interesting story, right? So one winter night do not forget to put all the full stops after the sentence. Electric lamps, oil lamps ago years instead of people used many. देखिए people use oil lamps. People use oil lamp instead of electric lamps, right? Many years ago. आप लिख सकते हैं many years ago. People use oil lamps instead of electric lamps. Right? So that was all about structure of sentences. Please go through this very important chapter and keep doing hard work. Stay blessed. Thank you.